Hey, welcome back for color of the day. Kind of went away for like a week and then totally spaced doing my colors of the day. So I'm going to be playing catch up all the way from July 15th through July 23rd, technically the 24th being tomorrow. But yeah, so I'm going to be recording a lot of them today and posting as many as I can, and then I'll get to the rest tomorrow. But here is color of the day. Last time that I showed you a cream to powder luminizer, I showed you Benevolent. This one is Iridescent. If you prefer a white highlighter, this is amazing. So I'm going to show you on the back of my hand because I don't even have a full face. So there it is. Ta-da! And that's very little pressure too. Like, it just goes on. And you use your finger or a brush to blend it out if you want. My favorite way to use these is to put this on before I do my blush. Believe it or not, it gives it a really amazing look. Oh my god. Anyways, to get your very own Touch a la Mode Luminizer, all you gotta do is visit the link below. Once on the website, go to shop, then select face, and scroll down to Touch a la Mode Cream to Powder Luminizer. Ta-da! There it is. That's all you gotta do. It's that simple, right? Who knew? Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna go and start recording the next one for you guys, alright? Bye!